jelly in your family?
Me.
Me. And who else likes jelly in our family?
Moses.
And Moses. So my kids love jelly. Kids love jelly in general, and I want to show you, we are going to show you a healthy version of jelly. Look at that.
And these ones are
So this is another lunchbox idea. I love lunchbox ideas. If you have any lunchbox ideas, share them with us on our Facebook page or on YouTube. Follow us and send us some of your ideas. This is a jelly lunchbox idea. So inside is a set jelly, and I can put that in my kids' lunchbox, and they've got a little treat so they don't feel left out, because a lot of the times my kids come home saying, oh, the kids at school have chocolate cake, or they have this, or they have jelly, and I just think, I don't want to give them jelly every day with all that sugar. So I thought, let's make a healthy version, and here it is, right? All it is 500 mils, or you can double the recipe if you want, of just juice, 100% juice. This is just black currant.
Yeah.
And
you could get like green juice, whatever colour,
Yeah.
or rainbow.
Or rainbow. You can have a rainbow juice. This is just apple and black currant. And you just put it on the stove top. Now I'm going to turn it on and start heating it up. This gelatin that I'm using here, I've just put some water and I've mixed, it's just a vegetarian gelatin. You can get it at Coles, or pretty much health food shops have it. You can use agar, which is also a vegetarian gelatin.
But if you're a meat eater, you could get the one.
I'm just going to add a touch of water to that because it's already setting.
Yeah.
Okay, so mix it through. Now, once you've mixed your gelatin in some water, I will then stir it inside my pot, and I will let this simmer or come to boil and on a low heat. And once it's come to boil, I turn it off, let it cool down just a touch, and then I pour it into my molds. And that's it. And you let your molds, like any other jelly, you let it cool down, and then you put it in the fridge, and you've got your jelly. Now,
if you make it at lunch, your kids have to have it at the next day. But if you make it right in the morning...
who's gonna try the jelly?
Yum.
Is that good?
It's very good.
Is it? You can have the rest then.
Yum.
So if you want to follow some more recipes, easy lunchbox ideas like this, we're not going to stay here waiting for it to heat up. It's pretty simple. We just wanted to show you the end product because we made it yesterday. If you want to follow us on Facebook, Mums at the Table, or mumsattetable.com for all our recipes, or YouTube, Mums at the Table. You will see all our recipes there, cooking with Olive and little Moses, who's not here today. But we'll see you next time with some more ideas.